We, unlike some other parties, allow people to speak their minds.
Alberta politicians breaking from pandemic policy, joining a national coalition against restrictions. Now, questions about whether Premier Jason Kenney is losing a grip on his party. This while a cycle of shutdowns and reopenings lead to public defiance and some losing confidence in the government.
I always challenge those who oppose any restrictions to tell us what the alternative is. What is their risk tolerance in terms of lives lost, in terms of the overwhelming of the healthcare system?
It's called the End the Lockdowns Caucus, and United Conservative Party MLAs Angela Pitt and Drew Barnes are in.
My constituents are having a hard time buying in, as are many Albertans across the province, and you see that in the ways of civil disobedience.
In Pitt's riding, just north of Calgary, this business was allowed to serve tables starting Monday. But weeks earlier, it was handed this closure order. The owner says he opened for dine-in out of desperation.
I didn't have rent, didn't have money to pay the staff wages, so we just opened. And luckily, we made enough in those 2 days to pay the staff anyways. Landlord finally got back to me after that and said, we'll waive your rent or defer it again, which just killed me in September.
Kenney says it's up to him, the health minister, and COVID cabinet committee to make public health decisions.
Had we not taken those measures, and we had gone from 1,000 to 2,000 people in hospital and 2,000 to 4,000 people in hospital, we would have been setting up tent hospitals. We would be taking body bags out of tent hospitals in the middle of February.
This is a difficult time, and it's difficult also to see what the Premier can do to win voters back. I mean, we're all seeing and hearing from people who are saying that they voted for Jason Kenney last time, but there's no way next time. And some of those folks are looking for where to park.
But back at Jams, the owner says he's trying to run a restaurant and no longer playing politics.
I haven't been following Angela Pitt since I sent her letters and got a generic, hey, we're here fighting for you, big guy, and you just keep on keeping on. No, you're not.
In Calgary, Crystal Adaris, City News.